Bombok. Alright, yo, listen. Skillibeng did one of the most unexpected things that we could ever imagine. Skilly dropped at least 10 new songs one time. Not even a joke. Now we're gonna review Kingston Drill because the man do so much song last night. Me up on YouTube and I say, yo, how much song this man I gonna drop so? We just keep on saying them come at the feed. Me I say, hold on there. Skillibeng eat something last night. Like a boss belly around the dog just say, we'll put out them up on it, you know? I'm gonna put out them up on the YouTube. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, of course. Yo, I'm telling y'all, I love the support y'all giving me. I love it. Y'all tune in, y'all watching, and I appreciate it. Alright? From the bottom of my heart, I do. Thank y'all. Alright? So let's get it up there. Like, comment, subscribe. Make we jump into the video right now.
Is that? Yeah, man.
Ranchy boy.
We are on the main now, fear no pussy. Them boy, they are better for fear us.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let's go back. Skiller went a little bit too much.
Is that? Yeah, man.
Hey, who create that? Who create that rhythm here? Who create this fucking rhythm here? If you don't know who create, me I go find out. Don't worry, me I go find out. That little tum, tum, ooh, tum, 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 ooh. Who create that rhythm here? Need to be studied.
Ranchy boy.
We are on the main now, fear no pussy. Them boy, they are better for fear us. Man, brain just wake up, but then I'm a palm in the toothbrush, I pace up.
Bombok. Come back again.
Is that?
I'm rifling.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Hold on. I don't think you understand, you know. How majestic Skilly voice is, you know. Like, I don't think you understand and appreciate that, you know. Hold on. Come again.
Ranchy boy.
We are on the main now, fear no pussy. Them boy, they are better for fear us.
Area.
Man, brain just wake up, but then I'm a palm in the toothbrush, I pace up.
This is the Skillibeng where we did get attached to from brick palm, you know, crocodile teeth. This is the Skillibeng. Other gun boss. Boo! Come again. Play me song.
Me gunfire, you see be a cloud, be a smoke, just put a pan panic here now. Them full of
Me gunfire, you see be a smoke, just put a pan panic here now. But listen now, the man that's a jump from, like him a jump from decimal to decimal pan the beat. Tung, 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 tung. Hold on, come again.
talk like radio, me clip full like it's a stage show, yellow. Oh me, the most anticipated. Me gun active, I be a kid.
Yo, it act tough, you know, dog. It act tough. You know, I feel like a man bad, you know, brother. Yo.
100 strap, must live by 80. Me and my gun run down on people. Me and the clip race out quick. Them nothing for crown weed. And we have to play some breed. They make my gun burn them like weed.
Me and my gun run down people. Me and my K chase out quick. Yo. Tell us something. I love this. I love the direction of Skillibeng going at him. You see me? I love it.
Stampede me make my gun champion. One wheelie with my gun pan me. That easy but we don't have it. Badness we deal constantly. A mini K long it don't mini like zig. SLR wire fire fantastic.
Bombo clot! Youth! Mr. Universe for true!
Chapstick, yeah, one hang and kick. Be a gunny dog, let's chop like chop type. Pussy them attack them badness online. How we a walk with the 16 tie like a big tree bird, like a one ply. Pussy them attack line and strike.
You, in my body of fuck. Yo, this is yo. Don't tell me say Skillibeng on the first man for bring drill in a dancehall music. Tell me a next man to bring drill in a dancehall music and execute it as bad as Bumbuckler Skillibeng. I tell you say this man na my top blood clot tree. Youth, don't play the man, brother. Don't play the man. And that's why Skillibeng reign so long. And that's why the man is accepted internationally so long. Because guess what? The man's style different. The man not come and sound like Idora. The man not come and sound like Cartel or Governor. The man not come and sound like Alkaline. The man not come and sound like Bounty or Beanie or Shabba. The man have him own little craft where my use, brother. Skillibeng is like a rap dancehall artist. Cause this nigga flow like a dancer. This nigga flow like a rapper. Only with a dancehall lingo and language. So don't get it twisted. This nigga tough. And for a man to execute that the only man must execute that apart from Skillibeng is Cartel. Correct me if I'm wrong. Man bad. Tell me which artist in a Jamaica right now bring dancehall music and turn it into drill music. UK drill music. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about. I'm not talking New York drill. See me? Like, tell me, nigga.
Scope with the beam in the Philippines, we are roll out with the 15 war life. Shot in your mouth and now we cream here and I full up on our head with carbine. So we cool and bad, we not use long shot in a pussy head back.
Yo, we need to call a doctor. We need to call a biologist, a chemist, and study Skillibeng. Skillibeng brain come from off of one of them different planet there, but another planet there. Believe you me. This man ratings for death up yes so.
Bam for your boy, we will pull him head hand lock you will get captured. Head shot so the bullet them prosper load them a shot.
Yo. Bro, I am so amazed by the fucking song, brother. I was just got a minute and 15 night already, and bro, nothing in that song no sound like fuckery. The man not offbeat, the man not nothing.
Bullet them contacts, one tag be a man appear in a 1 car, 1,000 to spray in a 1 yard.
Yo. Where Skillibeng get that song from, brother? Like, bro, I'm so amazed by the song, brother. Me can't even think straight, brother. Like, the man catch me off guard, brother. I swear to you, brother, me not even gonna joke.
Some alien with beer chip clock, shoot them up like playing him land. Like a gal shot, break him heart, I play with the badness. No fear, no man, no pain, no cab. Play for some gunshot.
Yo. No. Brother, like, comment, and subscribe, you know, dog. Like, brother, I first me review a song, brother. I'm stunned by the song, dog. And I think the reason is because I expect just a regular dancehall flow, you know? But the man give me a drill flow, a dancehall drill flow, brother. A drill fucking flow in a dancehall version, brother. Never seen. Have to be studied. Have to be studied. Right now, me and Tom and Jerry said the same thing. Man, body of fuck.
Yes, be a big matic and be a big bam. When we are fire shot, them asleep. Pussy dead asleep, wake up, bell ring, heaven gate, well happy. Not afraid of feeling in the head sick, them a say me want look at therapy.
Bombo clad, what I go about them bad. What about say? Yeah.
I say me want look at therapy.
Hold on.
Afraid of feeling in the head sick, them a say me want look at therapy.
You need therapy and you need to be studied.
In energy, you better chill when you see east side mafia step a street. Do not make talk, you never kill, we no ease down pan boy, your head a split. Oh me, the most anticipated, me gun active a be.
Yo, please like, comment, subscribe, yo, please. I got left the link in the description for the full video.
100 strap must live by 80. Me
Cause I have to pause every 10 seconds or I get copyright when I review these songs. Alright? So if you see me I pause it, like bro, I really and truly bro, I not even want to pause the song, bro, but me have to process this blood clot song, yeah, brother. Like, me not even not gonna lie. Me have to process this thing, brother. Me have to process like, yo, how the fuck this happen?
Gun run down on people. Me and the clip brace out quick. Them have a fuck crown we. And we have to play some break. Me make my gun burn them like.
Me not tell no lie, dog. Skillibeng, brother, a man caught me off guard with this, dog. I swear to you, bro. I swear to you, dog. Me not even gonna lie, dog. Man caught me off guard, dog. Big man thing.
Stampede, me make my gun champlain. One wheel with my gun pan me. That easy, but we don't have it. Badness we need it constantly. A mini K long, it don't mini like zig. SLR fire fantastic. Chapstick, yo, and hang and kick.
Like, comment, subscribe. Bro, I sang that. I think I hit that. Yeah, them. Oh, yeah, compliment. Let me see if I'm gonna speak more. No, man, I think I hit that. Yeah. Yo. I want to see Skilly. Because I have to talk to Skilly. Youth. First and foremost, you have no right. You have no right dropping a song like this. Without warning us. As in the first place. You overstep your boundaries. It song too blood clot bad. And you need to tell me when you do things like this. Go up on your Instagram and say, listen, I'm going to drop a song. And it come from God himself. Me not have to tell you how much this a song ya be. Out of 10. Because right now I get a 20. Because for one, you transform a drill genre into a dancehall genre. Never see that before. Me never see that before, brother. Drill music is my number one music apart from dancehall. I only listen to UK drill music and dancehall music and Afro beats. Those are my three main genre of music that I listen to. So I know where this is coming from. I know the creativity. I know the mindset. I know the execution behind this because I am a big lover of drill music. I listen to New York drill music too. See me? But Skilly, you are a great musician. From you come out with brick on brick. I say, no, so that you are tough. And you come out with crocodile teeth. And you come out with brand new gun. All them song there, bro. Youth, I'm gonna tell you this. You're in a class by yourself. And I love how you take your time and create your music and master your craft. And nobody come and drop a bunch of songs and drop a bunch of fuckery. You take your time. Them always tell you say, what them say? Quality over quantity. And this is a perfect example. Because you have enough man writing. If you realize the man them used to drop song back one another every week, every other day. You realize them stop because them say them a burn out themselves, them a burn out the music, them a burn out the quality of the music. Because them just a drop song to say them have a lot of songs. No. Take a focus on Masicka. Take a focus on Alkaline. Take a focus on Cartel. Yes, Cartel used to drop song back boom 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 boom. Because in that era, you didn't really have a lot of dancehall artists who run things. It was just Cartel and Mavado at one point. To be honest, the Gully and Gaza war take over the whole dancehall scene. You see me? Look for Mavado, the man they drop songs selectively. The man not come and just throw out music. If you say, yeah, I have music. No, you have to take on the time and create the music. You see how long Skillibeng, brother, Skillibeng drop song like every month, if so. Right? And none drop this. And me hear some about whole part of song him drop. And me see them on YouTube. And I listen to some of them last time. I couldn't even listen to the whole of them. See me? And me just skip through them. But this right here, so brother, Kingston Drill, is on my playlist. Come I got Jim later. May I rings it out. The song is a 10 out of 10. The video is a 10 out of 10. The video is definitely a UK drill type video. Alright? So that 10 out of 10, yo. And if you know me, yo, UK all day. But with all that being said, like, comment, subscribe. Soon at the next one.